After appearing upset at a request from Novak Djokovic's lawyers, Judge Anthony Kelly adjourned the court during a directions hearing. After becoming annoyed with a motion from the defense, the judge sitting over Novak Djokovic's directions hearing adjourned the court for 5 minutes. On Friday, Immigration Minister Alex Hawke cancelled the world number one's visa, but his attorneys are prepared to formally file an appeal following the directions hearing, which will determine the case's future steps. With Djokovic due to be arrested tomorrow, a formal appeal hearing has been scheduled for Sunday, but his attorneys have raised concerns about the detention taking place in a public location. Djokovic's attorneys laid out their plans to challenge the immigration minister's decision to terminate his visa in a directions hearing on Friday night local time. Mr Lloyd, who represents Minister Alex Hawke, agreed to the defense's timetable, saying they intend to file their final submissions by 12 p.m. on Saturday, and that the immigration minister would get them by 10 p.m. Mr. Lloyd further stated that the world number one would not be deported until the processes were finished. Djokovic will be detained on Saturday after an interview at the immigration offices at 8 a.m. local time, spend 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at his lawyer's offices, where he will be classified as detained if border force officials are present on the same floor of the building, and spend the evening in a detention hotel before being taken back to his lawyer's offices for a hearing on Sunday, according to Judge Anthony Kelly. All sides agreed to the plan, but Djokovic's lawyers objected to the fact that the 20-time major champion was scheduled to be detained at the immigration offices following his interview on Saturday morning. Nick Wood, a member of Djokovic's legal team, expressed legitimate concern about a media frenzy outside immigration offices when it was publicly revealed during the court as the location for Djokovic's detention on Saturday. "We have a genuine concern about security and a potential media circus, to be frank," he told Judge Kelly, implying that the two parties secretly agree on an undisclosed site where the 9-time Australian Open champion will be held. The judge appeared irritated as he asked Mr. Wood if he had considered on mature reflection the obviousness of that circus might have occurred to everyone before 10:55 p.m. on Friday as it approached 11 p.m. local time. "Don't put this at my feet," he added. As the defense looked to be requesting Judge Kelly's help in determining a private spot for Djokovic to be detained with Mr. Lloyd, he became irritated and adjourned the court for 5 minutes to let both parties to reach an agreement. Before leaving the courtroom, he told Djokovic's defense, "You can't ask me to broker this." The session resumed after more than 10 minutes, with the Serb's lawyer confirming that they had agreed on a secret place for his client to be detained on Saturday ahead of the hearing on Sunday. Mr. Wood further notified the judge that all parties agreed that the order pertaining to Djokovic's interview and detention should be amended to state that it will take place at the immigration offices or any other location agreed between the parties. Shortly after, the court was adjourned, with Judge Kelly confirming that he would publish the reasons for how the parties came to an agreement for the future hearings on Saturday. Meanwhile, the Australian Open stated that the top half of the men's draw would begin play on Monday. It implies that if Djokovic wins his appeal, he will be released from custody in less than 24 hours and will be able to defend his Australian Open title on the court.